Okay, if you can log into your portal, but then whenever you send someone your password, the person cannot log in. You will have to go to settings. Open your browser. This is Chrome. Open your Chrome, go to settings, and then find password. You can see passwords. Maybe here under this search at the top here, you type Elearn. So when it opens, you should see your matric number. So when it opens, like when you touch the matric number, you can see this person's matric number, and then the password is hidden. So you have to touch this thing that looks like an eye. So when you touch it, it will ask you for verification, like your PIN or what do you call it, fingerprint. Once you authenticate yourself, you will see the password. Then you can send it. You may have the actual password saved on your phone, but you are sending the wrong one to someone else. That's why the person cannot log in while you can log in.